Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get a way to make up to $100 per day with affiliate marketing. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, I promise you can do this. I have used these strategies I'm going to show you in this video to make commissions like this and this and this. And this is with completely free organic traffic. All of these skills can be learned and will take some time, but wouldn't it be worth it to replace your income at work and have more than enough money to pay your bills every month and be able to spend more time with your family? But make sure you stick around to the end because I want to inspire you and show you if you put in the work, you can have passive income every single month with one of the methods in addition to affiliate commission. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Most companies have affiliate programs, so you just have to Google the company name plus affiliate program. Like for example, my background is in physical therapy. I could do a Google search on physical therapy affiliate programs and see what comes up. And you can see these are some products that I might be able to promote. I could also go to Amazon and find products I can recommend that would benefit people with, for example, back pain or joint pain, like a TENS unit or strengthening equipment. And once you sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, which is completely free, you would just click on the product that you want to promote. And then right up here where it says get link text, you just click on that, and this would be the link that I would give to people. And if they purchase it, I would earn a percentage of this $995. So think of an area you'd be able to create content around, and you don't have to know much about it, but I think you need to have an interest in it because you're going to be creating content in the area and growing an audience. And here's what people get wrong with affiliate marketing. They have their link and they think if they've showed it to enough people, someone will buy it. That happens all the time on Facebook groups. And it's true to some extent, but when you really learn marketing, you learn to solve a problem people are having, and you build an audience of people that have that problem that needs to be solved, and then you build trust by creating valuable content and educating people on the topic, and then you offer a solution to their problem which your product or service provides. I think it was Dagan Smith, super successful marketer, once said, it's like you want a customer to be running a marathon and you're standing there holding the cup of water that they need. Some profitable niches are make money online, cryptocurrency, relationships, woodworking, and health. And you want to get as specific as you can in each one of these niches so it's not too broad. For example, in the health niche, you could do intermittent fasting or keto, would be less broad. Relationships would be dating. So after you pick your niche, you want to pick a product that you can promote to build content around. You can either find an independent affiliate program or go to an affiliate network, like of course, ClickBank, Digistore, JVZoo, or Warrior Plus, and you can see the different categories that you can find affiliate products to promote. Oh, and by the way, speaking of making money online, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you like. Now that you have your product, you're going to create valuable content around the problems your product or service solves. There are 3 ways I'd recommend you do this with free organic traffic. Blogging is the first one. And of course, free organic traffic can take a while to get, but the last one I'm going to share with you, stick around because that's the fastest. So with blogging, of course, you're going to be writing articles around, for example, in the Make Money Online niche. One of the most powerful ways to get in front of people who are looking for ways to make money online is to do product reviews. You don't have to purchase the product, although it would be helpful. There are reviews out there that you don't want to copy, but you can get information and write your own review. For example, Jesse Singh's blog, he does a lot of product reviews. So people that read his reviews get to know, like, and trust him because he always gives an honest opinion. He's done this for so long, he has credibility. But don't think you can't do this because everyone has to start somewhere. Think of this as a long-term strategy where you're planting seeds and eventually you'll have results. Doing reviews on products or business opportunities that have just come out are a great way to get traffic. For example, if you look at Google Trends right now, you can see that Burex is getting a lot of attention. And you can get some good traffic if you do a review on it and updates on what's happening to the company. Then on your blog, of course, you can have an opt-in for your #1 recommendation for making money online, and people can click on your link to your affiliate product. And you can see that's exactly what Jesse does on his blog. You can see his opt-in form right here. Here's an example of some products you can promote. On ClickBank, if you search woodworking, this one right here is a good one that you can promote. I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do that in the last method. It's super powerful. Some other ones, if you go to Digistore 24 or to Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr, that's a really good one to promote. And also if you scroll down here, Wesley Version has a couple products in here. Here's one of them, the Genie Script Works. That's another great product to promote. These are just some examples. The next method to promote your affiliate product is YouTube, and this is similar in that you want to promote content around problems that people have. Back to the product review method, this works very well on YouTube. Let's say there's a new product on the market and people are on an email list of a big marketer and they email their list about the product. Generally, the first thing people do before they buy is to go to YouTube and search product name plus review. So if you go to my channel and search review, you can see all the different product reviews that I've done on my channel. So you can create a channel around product reviews, either business opportunities, products people would use to grow an online business, or MLM reviews. People who are searching for these things want to make money online and they're in your target market. So if you do a product review or business opportunity review, you can give a good review and then direct people to the link in the description with bonuses for people who buy through your link. A great example of a review video is Centrio Review. You can see this gentleman's channel right here. He does product reviews. And in my research for this video, I found that he sold over 1,400 of a ClickBank product. Not $1,400, but he sold that ClickBank product 1,400 times with this exact method. He didn't say what the product was, but you can take a look at his channel here and see exactly what he does and the bonuses that he offers. But it works very, very well. And this method has worked out very well for me. Some videos have made me over $26,000 in sales and over $11,000 in commissions. This is because I've done it for so long that people know they can trust me and then they buy from me. Now, you don't have to own the product, as I said before. You can do product reviews and then direct people to your #1 recommendation, like Jesse Singh does on his YouTube channel. He understands Google traffic from his blog, and YouTube traffic are a powerful combination. See here, he's not directing people to the product he's reviewing, but to his affiliate link. So if we scroll down in his description, you'll see his recommendation right here. And he's very smart because today, March 9th, he's doing a review on Burex. I would recommend, though, that you have your link above the fold because you have to scroll down in his. Above the fold means, like I have it here, you don't have to click on show more because I just think people are more likely to click if they don't have to scroll down. But people get to know, like, and trust him, and they opt into his email list where they get more information about his program. And because people most of the time do not buy on the first exposure, you want to make sure you have an opt-in form so you can follow up with them in an autoresponder with automatic messages on a regular basis, either every day or every other day. And the last method, which I think right now is the easiest and fastest, is TikTok. I did a video recently on ways that you can make money with TikTok. I'll post that in the description below this video. But right now, TikTok is a gold mine. And you can promote your affiliate product on your TikTok channel. But again, you need to have the mindset that you're going to provide valuable content and not come off as a salesperson. I see people doing this wrong on TikTok. You can tell the intent behind their videos is to promote their product, but it goes back to people like to buy and not be sold. So you want to create these short videos, 15 to 60 seconds, that'll give information to people, for example, on how to make money from home, and then direct them to the link in your bio. And there's a way to make a clickable link in your bio before 1,000 subscribers. I will link a video below showing you how to do that. It's super simple. An example of a channel who is doing this right is this one right here. He's a teacher and he's making enough money that he could leave his teaching job, and it's only from TikTok. So he directs people to his affiliate link in his bio. And another channel who's doing this right is this woman right here. And if I'm not mistaken, she said she grew to over $10,000 per month just from TikTok in her affiliate program. So you can take a look at their channels and see what they're doing. If you take a look at this channel, it's a friend of mine who has this channel, and so I know for a fact he's made a sale of this ClickBank product, but it looks like he's not posting here very much right now. But he has another huge channel of over 150,000 followers where I know for a fact he makes regular affiliate sales to his main affiliate product. Here's some other examples of channels using TikTok to make sales with affiliate marketing. This one is woodworking plans, and of course they have short videos about woodworking. And you can see they have over 100,000 followers. If you click on the link in their bio, that will take you to this ClickBank product, which is this one that I told you about earlier, Ted's Woodworking. That converts very well. And you can see the gravity is over 206. Another example is this channel on dating. So he gives advice about dating. And you can see that his videos get a lot of views. We click on the link in his bio, you can see that these are actually affiliate programs. If you scroll down to the bottom here and you click on affiliates, you can see that he will earn a commission when someone purchases from this site. So you can model after videos in your niche that have performed well and do one similar, but you want to make sure that you use the right hashtags, which I share with you in the video below I was telling you about on TikTok. But if you don't get this right, you won't grow very fast. So you can use TikTok if you are in, for example, a makeup company, do tutorials on makeup, and have a link to your products in your bio. Let's say you're in Forex trading affiliate program. You can do tutorials about trading and have your channel be about Forex trading for beginners. Then have a link in your bio to your affiliate programs. So the possibilities are endless really with TikTok. But if you take a look at my channel, which I started less than 2 months ago, you can see that I've had a couple of videos go viral, one with over 600,000 views, another one over 300,000 views, and I already have 30,000 followers. And if you take a look at the overview of my analytics here, you can see the number of views that my videos get every day, and the number of profile views that I get, and they're potentially clicking on the link in my bio. In the link in my bio, I direct people back to my YouTube channel, or as I would recommend that you do, link directly to an opt-in form to your affiliate product. So at the end of each video, you would have a call to action. If you want to know how I make money online, click the link in my bio. And people are naturally curious, and a percentage of people who watch your videos will click the link in your bio. So back to YouTube, another way you can make money with YouTube is through the Google AdSense program. This is when you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And this doesn't take as long as you think if you know what you're doing. I have 2 friends. Last month, they both made over $12,000 on their channels. And I have another friend who made over $9,000 on his channel. Now they work hard on it, but wouldn't it be worth it to have this kind of money coming in every single month and put in the time to have those kind of results? Now you might be saying, I can't do what they do. I would bet you could if you really learned what to do and have a strong desire and put in the work like they do and like I do. And then I also have to ask you, how bad do you want change? So I hope you go out there and make some really good money with affiliate marketing. Let's continue the learning with this next video, how to go from $0 to $5,000 with affiliate marketing for beginners. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.